Hello guys, it's me again and welcome to another tech video. This week we're going to be talking about my new $40 budget mechanical keyboard. Now I know other YouTubers have reviewed this keyboard already, but my review will be a little different because I've never actually owned a mechanical keyboard before due to their usually high cost. The first thing I want to talk about is the build quality. It is mostly plastic, which is expected from a mechanical keyboard that is this cheap. However, it does not feel flimsy and does not feel like it will fall apart. The plate underneath the keys I think is actually metal, which is nice. There's no backlighting, but this is not a deal breaker for me. I don't know exactly how long the cable is, but it's plenty long for me. It also has a Velcro strap, which is nice if you want to keep the cable wrapped up. The keyboard has rubber feet that prevent the keyboard from slipping around and actually let you prop it up if you want. The keys are knockoff Cherry MX Blues, so they feel and sound very similar to Cherry MX Blues. Like Cherry MX Blues, this keyboard is fairly loud. It might not be the best if you work in a very quiet office or something. The keys are actually called blue switches and they have Switchmaster written on them. The fact that these keys are knockoffs is what allows the price to be so low, as most Cherry MX keyboards are usually around $100 or more. I believe you can actually replace the keycaps with keycaps for Cherry MX Blue switches, but I've not tried this myself, and so I don't know. There's no number pad, which for me is no problem, and if you need one, you could just get a separate number pad that goes on the side. Coming from membrane keyboards, this keyboard is really nice to type on. Typing on this keyboard is so much nicer than any regular standard keyboard, and it's really actually a pleasure to type on. For PC users, it obviously works fine, but I mainly use this keyboard on Mac, so for you Mac users out there, I can tell you that it works great on Mac. You can switch the Alt and Windows/Command keycaps physically and in system preferences if you're used to that, like on an Apple keyboard. While there are no dedicated media keys, the media keys can be accessed when you press FN. I also changed this using an application called USB Overdrive, so I don't have to press FN. And another nice feature is when you press FN and F11, it stops the keyboard from actually doing anything when you type keys, which is nice if you want to just mess around or store it away. The last thing is, it is waterproof, so if you accidentally spill your Mountain Dew or you just want to wash off some Dorito dust, you can do that, but all jokes aside, this might save you in the future. And now for a video to show you guys how it sounds and looks when you type on it. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you're considering buying this keyboard. And also make sure to subscribe so I see you next time on Damn Random Videos.